Helen Damase is always caught up on relationship scandal. Just yesterday, it was alleged that she is in a relationship with a Nigerian married man who goes by the name of Mike. It didn't feel far-fetched because Mihlali has dated married men before without shame. She later shared a statement on her social media platform disputing the allegations, and this is what she said. I'm issuing this statement as a matter of safety and self-preservation. I am deeply concerned for my life and the well-being of my family. Should anything happen to me, it is important that the truth is known. For several months, I've been subjected to ongoing harassment, threats, and intimidation by a man named Michael Brits, also known as Mike. After I've rejected his advance, his behavior escalated into something obsessive and frightening. I have personally witnessed him following me. He has appeared at my place of work without reason and showed up in spaces where I am parked or seated, though monitoring my movement. My privacy has been repeatedly violated. Members of my family have been approached in public, and people have been paid to follow me and take photographs of me without my consent. At the same time, false and damaging stories about my life has been circulating through blogs and online platforms. Some media publication reposted these allegations without verification. She further went on to say that this has caused her a serious reputation harm and that she is taking this with the law enforcement. Anyway, guys, what do you think? Do you think that Michelle is trying to save face or she's telling the truth that this guy has been harassing her? Please do comment your thoughts down below. And please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share, and like this video. I love you.